really stressed, and here for the last couple of days I've been having some chest pain. I called my sister and I was talking to her about how I was feeling, and you know, she's feeling stressed too, so she couldn't really help me with anything. But you know, I wanted to come and talk about how chronic stress can really affect your health. So if you're interested, then stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jamesia Capri, the Nurse Practitioner Extraordinaire, and today I'm going to talk about chronic stress and how it affects your health. So, you know, here lately I've just been feeling really stressed out, and I know it has a lot to do with COVID and my work and all kind of stuff just happening, just a pile of stuff on just pile. And I really came in to talk to you guys about it because I came across an article that talked about chronic stress and your heart. And you know, I don't know if any of you guys are feeling more stress here lately with all this pressure, just the election, COVID, being in the medical field, financial responsibilities, kids, school, everything, just life obligations in general. And sometimes having chronic stress and a large level of stress, it manifests in things like pain, depression, anxiety, stuff like that. And you know, I wanted to talk about this article that I found in the Journal of American Medical. It's called the JAMA. I say JAMA, but it's called the Journal of American Medical Association. Yeah, I'll put it in here. But anyway, the article was talking about how if we're stressed out, we produce certain hormones like catecholamines and epinephrine, which is adrenaline, and it affects our heart. Like literally, like the way we feel and the way we think, we can cause actual damage to our heart. And I was feeling really stressed the other day because at work, you know, just all kind of stuff is going on, and I was just feeling just really, you know, inadequate and things like that. And I put in some consults for some different specialties, and they just kept denying my consults and frustrating me, and you know, making me send it back over and over, and it's just like I wasn't getting anything done. And I start really feeling that in my body. And you know, I just was like, okay, I need to just step away. I need to do something that's going to relieve some of this stress. So I started thumbing through, you know, I like to read, so I was thumbing through a magazine or a journal, and I came across that article, and I was like, you know, I'm going to share this because I'm sure there's somebody else out there who is dealing with stress, and I'm sure a lot of us are. I talked to my sister, and she's stressed out at work too. It's like everybody is stressed out. It's just like this level of tension is going on. And back to what I was saying about how your body talks to you. And don't ignore that, you guys. If your body is talking to you and if you're feeling stressed out, you know, go with that and do what you need to do to alleviate some of that stress. And you know, there's so many sources of stress. You know, you have your family obligations, you have your work, things like that. And really, if you're not healthy, there's nothing you can do to help anybody else. And you know how which I really never understood, how Fred Sanford used to say, oh, my heart, you know, immediately when he got stressed out. But really, that can happen. You can stress yourself into a heart attack. And because when you are stressed, your blood pressure goes up, you can have a heart rate that goes up, you can have an irregular heartbeat, and with all those things, you can cause some damage to your heart, and you can have a heart attack. So I guess I'm here to say that, you know, if you are experiencing stress, there are some things you can do. Just do the things that you love, like, you know, whatever it is that you love. I don't recommend that you do anything crazy, like, you know, excessive drinking or anything like that. I mean, you know, do things that can really help with stress, like working out, reading, meditating, praying, talking to loved ones, laughing. Laughter is excellent. And I'm gonna take my own advice too. I just, you know, here lately I've just been under a lot of stress, and you know, I'm gonna work on that. But I just wanted to, I guess, talk to you guys about it and share it with you. That, you know, sometimes I get stressed out too, even though I'm always on here acting crazy and laughing and all that stuff that I do. But you know, it's just got me where I was just feeling like really inadequate with my job and my work and stuff like that. So yeah, I don't know if you're feeling the same thing. Leave me some comments how you guys are feeling. You know, what you do to combat the stress in your life. Again, I literally have to run, you know. That really always works for me if I get out there and run. I love to read, but even here lately, when I'm stressed out, it's hard for me even to focus to read something, or to stay sitting still to try to read something. But anyway, I'm just kind of rambling on. But before I get off, I do want to talk about how your body responds, or the things that happen, like you know, the increased heart rate with stress, abnormal heart rhythms, increased blood pressure. Your oxygen demand is increased as well, and you can have some chest pain and difficulty breathing. So sometimes just that stress, that anxiety, can make you feel like you're having some heart problems, because you know, you're probably overexerting the heart. So hey guys, just try to, you know, relax and in this time do something that's not so stressful. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for stopping by. Take care guys.